Manning, Beckham, what a throw! What a catch! And a big first down for the Giants. Covered by Jackson. And a completion of 25.
Best throw of the day by Eli Manning. You've got Odell Beckham's going to the corner. They're doubling up on Odell Beckham. They got the safety trying to give some help, but once he goes to the corner, the safety's no longer a factor. And it wasn't just terrible coverage, but he lays it in there beautifully to Beckham.
Two. Passes. What a catch, Beckham! He's done it again! Wow! Touchdown Giants.
Put another one on the highlight reel.
I was just going to say, wow.
This ball was way out in front of Odell Beckham. Really, the only chance he had was to one-arm it, and he's able to make that catch look routine. That's a heck of a job by him, finishing off this drive for 7 points, 6 points, 7 if they make this extra point, but just